Hi, I'm Dave of Out of This World Home Services, and today I'm talking about drain cleaning and more specifically the drain cleaning equipment, what we use to help clean out the drains as well as inspect them and just keep them clean overall. So this machine next to me here looks a bit grubby. This is our big main drain machine, and so it will clean from inside your house on the pipes that are under the floor and what goes out to the city streets, which is quite a common call for us to tackle. We have different heads we can use. I've got a selection of a few here, but there's a lot more that are available for these types of machines. So what happens is this particular machine slides out and spins around and turns these cables. So a blade like this is used for cutting and scraping out blockages. This one here is for scraping some grease, and again it comes in different sizes, and this could be for retrieving other things that are in the drain that aren't supposed to be there, like cloth materials, things like that, or even some roots if they're on the lighter side. And for using a machine like this, because of the power in behind it, we have specialized gloves here which actually have metal embedded in them to stop us burning our fingers and having traction on the machine. This here is physically the camera. Again, it's a bit of a wiggly worm, blind you. And what happens is this will come in and run along inside the pipe. And although there's different ways of viewing the camera footage, for us we have a laptop. That's our setup, so we can record, give you a USB at the end of the job, and then you get a recording of what's going on, and we have some of that footage to show you. And then here, this is a jetting machine cable with a specific head on it here to help go down pipes. This can be used anywhere inside the house. A jetter can be used from kitchen drain lines. It's a great spot for them, even to right out to the street. And in fact, there's actually big machines that park outside the house to clean some of the bigger drain lines. This one is more for the internal stuff like laundry tubs, and that's pretty much it. For items that have been found in the drains, there's a whole slew of things, and in most cases, all this equipment is designed to clean out blockages created from organic matter or the tissues and the paper that are designed to go down the drains. What we find, however, is a lot of times when we're in drain cleaning and clearing out pipes and having a look through an inspection, we can see that there's breaks in the pipes which can stop our machines from actually working or being able to clear a blockage. But other items that have been found in the drain over times, and I'm just mentioning a few that I've personally seen. I've had shells, so seashells, little stones from rocks, decorative things. I've had knives. I've had drain flies, which are supposed to be in the drains, as well as some of the organic worms and things that reside in the drains. I've had a fish, about the size of my hand, is in there. There have been sweaters, jumpers, t-shirts. I've had a 2x4. Let's see what else has been in the line. There's perfume bottles, toilet roll holders, pretty much anything. So a lot of this is about keeping the area around the toilet, because that's usually the biggest spot where things get in, is if they fall into a toilet through an open seat lid and then get flushed by mistake. And certainly kids' toys are a classic for going down. I've also had a cell phone. So anyway, with that, this is just some of the equipment that's used, and it will go through and clean a blockage, providing it's actually from the drain pipe itself and organic matter that's supposed to be in the lines. If it's anything else, it can be hit or miss as to whether the machines will be able to clear the blockage, and then again you might be into bigger costs and problems and resolving other piping issues. So only put down the organic matter, whatever goes into your body and comes out, and the correct paper. Thanks.